In this video, I'll show you the exact process to generate plate mesh in STAAD Pro Connect Edition. We'll do this step by step inside the physical modeler, so you can follow along easily. Here, I already have my model ready. First, make sure your plate geometry is properly defined and there are no connectivity issues. Now, I'll select the plate surface where we want to generate the mesh. You can see the full panel is highlighted. Next, go to the meshing option in the toolbar. Click on Generate Mesh to open the meshing settings. Here, we define the mesh size. This is very important. Smaller mesh size increases accuracy, but also increases analysis time. I'll use a balanced value suitable for this model. Now I'll apply the mesh. You can see STAAD automatically divides the plate into smaller finite elements. Let's zoom in and check the mesh. The elements are fairly uniform, and there are no highly distorted shapes. Always avoid irregular or skewed elements because they can affect the accuracy of your results. Now the meshing is complete, and the model is ready for load application and analysis. That's how you generate plate mesh in STAAD Pro Connect Edition.